everyone, I'm Esther. Alfred is coming to you in just a little bit. We want to talk to you about some travel tips when coming to Sicily. So a few things that you may not have thought about. Number one, make sure your passport is updated. Secondly, of course, bring sunglasses, bring your sun protection, super important, especially in the summer, but really all year round, and a hat. Now, packing a hat sometimes is difficult, so I suggest when you come here, pick one up. $10 from Taormina. How cute is this? All right, the other thing is, and I learned this the hard way, when going to churches in Sicily, bring a shawl. You're wearing a sleeveless or a sleeveless dress, make sure you bring one of these. I got talked to by the priest in Ancestral my first year here. When I was getting communion, he said, you need to have your shoulder covered. So, pack a shawl, or some churches and cathedrals have one that you can use as well, and you can just leave it there. The other important thing is make sure you bring some cash. A lot of the mom and pops don't have credit card machines, and you have to pay some cash. I would suggest start out with about 500 euros. Bring that with you. Bank machines are not everywhere, so I suggest bringing 500. And I have some more tips about that in just a little bit. The other big thing, make sure your prescription medicine is filled, at least for a month, and have a doctor's note as well. All right, Alfred's gonna come and talk to you about some hats and some important things for men to bring, and then I'll have another tip at the end. Ciao.
You know, with the good weather coming in the springtime, leading into the summer, leading into the oppressive summer, it's very important that men, when they come to Sicily, bring the right stuff, okay? I just want to quickly review for you what you need to have. The first thing you need to have are hats, okay? They are the sine qua non of not getting a really bad sunburn on your head, especially when you go to the beach, okay? Buy a hat here, okay? Support the local merchant, okay? Something good. No political stuff. I don't think political stuff is any good. Now, what kind of a good hat should you have? Okay, so you've seen this one. Now I'm going to compare and contrast these two. This one over here was purchased at an American department store for like $10. All right? Look at it. It's 10 years old. You can throw it in the wash. This is good to wear when you're going all over the town, going for a walk in the morning. If you work out, it's a great hat. But if you're going out to dinner, and it's made of seersucker, which wicks all the moisture. This one here is a Borsellino. This is the Cadillac. This is the Cadillac of hats, okay? Borsellino is the top hat maker in all of Italy. They make a complete line of not only these types of hats made out of seersucker, but also the regular dress hats. So you need to have some type of a seersucker hat at nighttime, not the daytime, because the sun, if it's direct sun, especially at a beach, will just fry your brain. So that's number two, or number three. What do you want for the beach? You want a hat like this. You could buy these here for $20. These are made of, believe it or not, paper. These are made in paper. This is a paper hat. But they are indestructible if you take care of it. This is 5 years old, this hat. It deflects the sun, okay? I think this is a great hat for you to have. Another hat, if you like the short-brimmed hats like I do, boom, a short-brimmed hat. I think a short-brimmed hat is great. Or, these are called painter's hats. I don't mind when I see people that have New York or Boston, LA, etc. I think the political statements on hats do not belong, no matter what persuasion you're talking about. They don't belong when you're on a holiday because it's not good, okay? Now, what about clothing, okay? This is an Armorall shirt. This shirt wicks the water. So in other words, it doesn't cling to me, okay? I have a huge variety of t-shirts that I wear, but I don't wear them going out formally. And I wear them around the house and going shopping. What do I wear when I go out? I wear these types of shirts. Again, seersucker shirts, okay? You could buy these online. They're airy, they're roomy, and most importantly, when you get soaking wet, you hang them out there and they dry. What else do I need to come here in the summertime? You need one of these. A little bit of rain gear, okay? This is great. And underneath it, you can wear your shirt, bring a light sweater with you, a V-neck sweater, And really, you don't need to have any winter garb in the summertime. Now, I'll do another video come fall and show you what kind of hats and so forth that you really want to have in the wintertime, the late fall. But this is your summer stuff. Oh, and don't forget your bathing suit. You need your bathing suit. You get one of those little Speedo things. I don't care. Love you.
Okay, and one more thing. Ladies, make sure you get a purse that you can put across your shoulders and securely close it, especially when you're out in the city, and only carry a little bit of cash when you leave the rest in the hotel. And one more thing, make sure you notify your credit card company that you're coming to Sicily and Italy. And let's see, what else? Yes, don't forget, a picture of your passport in your purse. But most importantly, come and have fun. Did you enjoy this video? Make sure you hit the like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you on another episode of You, Me, and Sicily. Now I'm gonna go and have some fun in Catania. Ciao!